Hey everyone, we're Tina and Matt,
Hey guys.
and we are at the Brewer game on a Thursday afternoon and thought it was super important to talk to you guys about vision and how important it is to have a vision and keep that in front of you. So we never had a vision until REI Blueprint, and what we did was created this vision for ourselves and the life we wanted, and guess what? This was part of it here. So having a Thursday to go to the Brewer game, like we're living our vision right now and we're really excited about
Awesome.
that. So when you encompass hurdles in your business, when you encompass things that are hard, keep the vision in front of you. Remember why you're doing this. Remember why you wanted to do real estate in the first place, in the life you're trying to create for yourself. Because when you have that vision in front of you, it's just more impactful to try and hurdle through all the hard times that you're going through. So sometimes real estate's challenging, and when you understand that and know that there's an end game or something you're trying to get to, it really, really helps. So keep the vision and make a vision and have it in front of you, and live your best life here. So comment below if you have questions. Thanks.
Go Brew Crew.
Go Brew Crew.